What really is ceramic coating? Put simply, it is a clear liquid polymer that bonds with the actual factory paint at a molecular level, adding an extra layer of shine and gloss. And thanks to its hydrophobic properties, it's much easier to wash and clean your car as it forms water beads that simply slide down the surface. A common misconception is that ceramic coating protects against nicks and scratches. While this may be true for a PPF, which is a whole different process, ceramic coating is primarily aesthetic. It offers a much deeper shine and ease of daily cleaning. Of course, after the wash is the tar removal process and the clay bar application that gets rid of all the surface impurities and roughness. Yes, even from a brand new car. Remember, the most important thing about ceramic coating your car is actually all about prepping the car for the final step. Rubbing and polishing come as the next steps, and they get rid of any swirl marks or light scratches the paint might have. Then comes a bit of glazing that enhances the inherent gloss in the factory paint job, followed by a good old foam wash to remove specks of dust or chemicals. After the wash, another round of ultra fine glazing is usually done to further improve gloss levels and remove surface impurities. Then it's time for an IP alcohol wipe down to completely eliminate any chemical residue. Finally, the surface is ready for the ceramic coating to be applied. The whole process leading up to this stage simply ensures that whatever imperfections or marks there might be on the paint are thoroughly cleaned and not locked under the ceramic coat forever. So, always look for a detailer who doesn't rush into the job. It is imperative to bake the ceramic coat properly so that it bonds to the actual paint, creating a layer on top of the clear coat, adding both gloss and some amount of protection too. This curing process via infrared heat can take up to 24 hours, depending on the number of coats or size of the vehicle.